Hi, Kirsten, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Okay, share your screen. What question you have or what you
Uh,
have done?
I only did one this week because I had a lot of tests, but I'm doing milk pails right now.
You did not finish anyone?
I did one. I finished
Oh,
a 2023. I'll send it to you.
okay, okay. And then you are still working on it, on
Yeah,
other problem.
yeah.
Okay, but do you have question or no?
Uh, right now I don't have any questions.
Yeah, no question is fine. You just continue to work on your problems.
Okay.
Okay. The purpose of this meeting is to solve your problems if you have, or to know that which one you got bump into problem, and then I can help to solve it. Okay.
Oh, okay, okay,
If you don't have question, that's fine. You can just let me know and then work on the problems. Okay.
okay,
And make the best use of your time. It's okay that if you are busy some week that you don't do as many problems, that's fine. Okay. But try as many as you can. Okay.
okay,
Yeah. Okay, that's it for today. You can be dismissed.
okay. I sent the link to the problem I finished in the Zoom chat. Or should I put it in Messenger?
Zoom chat. Okay, let me see. What do you say? You say that you post the
User code link to the problem I finished.
user code link for your finish. Let me see. The problem that you finished.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. No problem. This is fine. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Just keep working on it. The
Yeah.
more important part is that you need to keep your practice hot. Don't let it cool down.
Okay.
One way is that you need to try maybe as many as three problems a week because you don't want to slow down.
Okay.
Okay?
Mm.
Okay, that's it for today.
Okay.
Good night
Thank
then.
you. Thank you.